What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cooking with Precious. It's your favorite cook, Precious. I hope you enjoyed the video you're about to watch. So guys, for this recipe you only need 4 major ingredients. Obviously we need seasoning, but we're not going to add that in the ingredient list, but you know you have to season your food obviously. So you just need 4 major ingredients to create this recipe. You can also add fish, you can also add other vegetables, but it's a low budget recipe, so I just want to keep it simple and very easy and very affordable, so we don't defeat the purpose of the video. So we just need rice. Here I have my basmati rice. It's already cooked. We all know how to boil rice, so yeah, I didn't want to make a video of myself making the rice. And then we have egg that has been beaten here, and then we have pepper. I think it's called Scotch bonnet pepper, but I think it's called Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, I don't really like pepper, so just a little bit of pepper and onions. So these are the ingredients we're going to use for this recipe. Yes, perfect. So guys, the first thing we're going to need is oil. Going to drop that in. That's oil. Then we're going to fry. I think this is enough. We need just enough. And then we're going to add our egg next. Don't worry, the oil is not a lot. Like this. So just going to break that in now. It's okay. Just going to break it. By the way, why the oil is this color is because of turmeric. We add turmeric to our oil because my mom said it's healthy. I don't know. So but yeah. As you can see, I didn't put any salt, any Maggi in the egg. You just fry the egg first. Like that, just plain egg. And it should look something like this. It should look like this. Then we're going to remove it from the pot. Actually no, leave it. I think it's fine since the rice is already ready, and then we just add our onions. And a little bit of more oil. It's a non-stick pan, so you don't really need much oil. So yeah, we'll fry our onions, then our pepper. The kitchen is about to go get really high. Now I'm going to add ginger seasoning. Just a little bit of ginger seasoning. Then we're going to add our Maggi cube. I think for quantity of rice, 1 should be enough because we're going to also add seasoning. And Maggi is actually not good for your health. It has one thing like that, I've forgotten what it's called. But yeah, so don't use too much Maggi. See, just add 1 cube of Maggi. Don't stir yet, you stir in a bit. And now we're going to add our salt. Just a little bit of salt. And then we're going to add our thyme. Yes? Can you see how beautiful it looks? Chef, does it look beautiful? Yes. I'm sure he's excited. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
This is a low budget meal, so we just need few ingredients. Because of we added egg, I won't advise you to put crayfish because egg and crayfish don't go. But now is the perfect time to add our rice. So that turmeric can get on all parts of the rice. We use a lot of turmeric in this house. I don't know if I should call it turmeric rice, but turmeric is not the main base. We just add it to our oil in the house, so I don't think I'll call it turmeric rice, but it's the turmeric that is giving it this color, and that's the same. It's also turmeric that gives fried rice the color of fried rice. But this is also not egg fried rice, so I'll just call it low budget rice. It's basically 4 ingredients and you have a nice pot of food. Now I'm just going to taste for seasoning. It's perfect. You can also add soy sauce. Let me add soy sauce and show you what it looks like. Sorry for the long ways, but that's a lot. Soy sauce. But yeah, if you don't have soy sauce, you don't have to put soy sauce. That was a lot of soy sauce. But yes, this is what your rice should look like. Yeah. Taste it for me. So guys, this is the final result of the rice outside. I really don't know what to call this rice, but yeah, give me a name for the rice. But it was my recipe, so let's form a name for this rice. But this is what it looks like. So guys, this is the end of the video. I just want to make something clear. So if you notice, my hand, what was on my hand was not that. It was, I burnt my hand while I was making popcorn. I was trying to create a popcorn recipe that I wanted to share, and it went well, but I didn't film because I usually like trial a recipe first. Then if it goes well, then I now create a recipe for the channel. So in the process, I burnt my hand. I had to stay away from the kitchen for a while. It's been so painful. I've been trying to get rid of the scar with okuma. I don't know if you know okuma. Okuma is also known as shea butter. So yeah, it could have been worse, but thank God I quickly sorted it out. But yeah, that's the scar on my hand. But yeah, just look at this glorious plate of rice. It was good, guys. It was good. I wasn't one that ate it. I don't eat pepper. I'll tell you guys a story about why I don't eat pepper in maybe a video. I'll do a sit-down video and tell you guys. But I made it for my brother and he loved it. Even the chef that had a bit of it, he really enjoyed it. I didn't make much. It was just for my brother. So yeah, I hope you try out the recipe. Please do, because you enjoy it. And don't forget to comment down below a name I could give this recipe, because I have no idea what to call it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell everybody. And then don't forget to comment down below if you enjoyed the video and if you're going to try out the recipe. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. And turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a video, you will be first to get the notification. Thank you guys. Bye.